Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Adobe Firefly step by step. Adobe Firefly is a powerful AI creative tool by Adobe that lets you generate images from text prompts, create video, audio and designs, edit images using AI, background object colors and make content for YouTube, Instagram presentation. It runs directly in your browser, no heavy install needed. So first you need to open any of the browser you prefer. In the top, simply type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And over here in the top right, we can find there's an option for the sign in. Click on the sign in here and you need to select to this create an account on the bottom. Over here, you can simply create an account with any of the socials in the top, or you can simply type down your email address as well and type down your password here. And simply type down your password here as well. And after that, you need to select to this continue in the bottom right. And that is it. This is how you can create an account in Adobe Firefly step by step. And signing up for Adobe Firefly on PC is super helpful and it's one of the easiest AI tools for beginners and perfect for students, content creators, or designers. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.